everybody, it's Santos from BMW of Myrtle Beach. Today we'll be talking about the favorite buttons that are on the dashboard of your car. The way I like to think about these buttons is that they're a quick way to jump to specific menu items in your iDrive menu. Some of them are a little buried in there and might be hard to navigate to, so this makes quick work out of that. So let me just show you some examples. Let's start with your apps. Let's say that you really want to be able to get to the weather app at a moment's notice. So you simply navigate to that item, you highlight it without selecting it, you press on one of these favorite buttons till you hear that chime, which lets you know that it's been locked in. Let me go to another item. Let's go to the car menu. And let's just say vehicle status is one that I personally like to get to quickly, so I'll put that into the number 7 button. Let's go into a little deeper. Let's go into the settings and general settings, and let's go to the sound settings, something that is a little buried in there. So I'm going to press and hold number 6 to lock that in. Other things, let's go to the navigation menu and into your recent destinations. Now perhaps one of these recent destinations is your home, maybe it's one of these destinations that you like to frequent, but if you were to simply highlight that, I'm going to put it into number 5, and now I've got a quick link to navigate to that destination. A few more things here. Let's actually go into media where all your radio stations are. So this will work across the band, so I'll start with Sirius XM, and let's just say I'd like to go to this particular item quickly, so I'll program that into button number 3. Let me move on to your FM radio channels, and let's pick this one to put into button number 2, and one more. Let's do this station to go into number 1. So at this point, we have a good way for us to navigate to all those favorites. So let's test these out. You go to the first preset, you can see that it's an XM station. I go to the second favorite, another XM station. The third one is an FM station. The fourth one is a separate FM station. Number 5 is navigation.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
And there you have it. Have some fun with these favorite buttons, everybody. Give it a try, and we'd love to hear how you make out. And as always, we'd love to see you here at your local BMW dealership, BMW of Myrtle Beach.